Welcome to the C tutorial guys. In this tutorial we will learn how to calculate the area of a circle in case we know the radius of the circle. So let's begin. At first we need to here add a file. So I'm adding a file under lab 3. While writing this name, do not forget to type .c at the end because .c is the file extension. And at the very first line, I'm adding a comment where I'm writing the title for this code, which is calculate area of a circle using the formula. And here I'm typing the formula area is equal to pi r square. So pi is static is for multiplication, and radius multiplied by radius is going to be radius square. So area is equal to pi r square. And now let's write the code. So first I am going to include the standard input output library. For that I am writing hash include stdio.h within these angle brackets, and after that I am writing the main function which is int main, and then I am adding these curly brackets and typing here return 0 because we write this return 0 at the end of the code. Okay, so here first we need to define the variables first, and these are going to be the same variables which we have used in this formula. So first of all we need to define the data type which is float, and then we are going to define the variables. So variables are area, pi and radius, and after that we have to put here semicolon. Since the value of the pi is constant, so I'm defining the value for the pi here as 3.14. And now we are left with two more variables that are area and radius. So we are going to take input from user so that he can tell us the value for the radius. So here I am writing the comment take input from user. And now let's write the code for that. In order to take input from the user, I am writing here printf, and then I am typing here two brackets, and in between these two inverted commas I am writing enter the radius of the circle. And after that I am writing here the function scanf, which is used to take input from the user. So here I'm writing scanf, and in between these two brackets and inverted commas I have to write format specifier for float data type. So here I'm writing %f because %f is the format specifier for float data type, and then I'm writing comma and typing and radius. So I'm copying this and I'm gonna paste it here. The spellings uppercase and lowercase must be the same. Now let's run this code in order to see that if there is any error or not. So our code is working fine, and now we have to calculate the area. So I'm typing here area equal to, and here I have to write the formula. So I'm writing the formula in terms of C. Area is equal to pi r square, pi multiplied by radius multiplied by radius. So this is going to be the same formula which we have written over here. This is basically the same formula that we use in mathematics, but the thing is we have to follow the syntax of C. And now in order to print the value of area in terminal or to display the value of area in terminal, I'm writing here printf, and the area of the circle is, and again I will use %f as a format specifier for float data type, and I'm writing here area. Now let's run this code, and as you can see it is asking us to enter the radius of the circle, and it has displayed us the area of the circle. Now let's calculate it manually. 4 multiplied by 4, which is going to be the radius, multiplied by 3.14, which is value for the pi. So this is 50.24, and if we match it here with this value, this is correct. So we have verified that our code is correct, and that's how we write the code in order to calculate the area of the circle. So that's all for this video guys. See you in the next video.